Hey guys, in this video I will show you 5 must-try Evernote alternatives for Android. Alright, let's begin. First up, we have NoteJoy. It looks and feels a lot like Evernote with a familiar sidebar, note previews, and a built-in search bar. The free version allows unlimited notes but limits you to 5 notebooks. Next is Microsoft OneNote. It's a powerful and completely free note-taking app. Think of it as Word documents organized into notebooks. You can tag and search notes, and it works well for both personal and professional use. Third on the list is SimpleNote. This is for those who want a minimal experience. There are no notebooks or folders, but you can use tags to organize notes. It supports Markdown and lets you publish notes online. It's free, fast, and distraction-free. Coming in at number 4 is Notebook LM by Google. This AI-powered app lets you upload content and then ask questions based on it using a chatbot. It's useful for research-heavy users, though it's a bit different from typical note apps. Finally, Zoho Notebook takes the top spot. It offers a free tier very similar to the old Evernote. You get note cards instead of plain notes, support for tags, version history, document scanning, and cross-platform syncing. It's functional, well-designed, and only limited by 2 gigabytes of free storage. If needed, the premium version costs just $2 per month. So that's basically how you can try 5 must-use Evernote alternatives for Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.